Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright, gang, so we back for another video. In this video, it's a quick video, you know what I'm saying? It's not really, it's the weekend, so you know the stock market, so the regular currency market is closed. Okay, so you can't trade like any currency pairs like GPUSD, Euro USD, they're all closed. You know, gold USD, they're closed. Like, look, I could try to, right? Closed. Right? The market's closed. So the only thing that's open on the weekends is stocks. Okay, you got Dogecoin right here. If I wanted to get in Dogecoin, I could. It's pretty cheap still. Only at 28 cents compared to Bitcoin. But you know, we're in Bitcoin right now. Remember I told you the spreads. Look at the spreads. Right here you can see the spread all the way to the left. This is for Bitcoin at 11146. So it's at 11,146 for the spread. You know, so the spreads compared to the regular spread, GPUSD only 19. Spread for Euro USD 11. You know, gold's pretty high. Remember I went over that already in the Hugo Way live. You know how to sign up for a Hugo Way account. I went over that and I showed you guys, you know, what the spreads were. So this is a spread for gold. It's still high. You know, that's why I can make money with gold and stuff too. I like to use gold spreads. Bitcoin too, Bitcoin too. The reason why I'm trading right now is because it's the weekend. So, over the weekend, this is the only pair that you can trade over the weekend is Bitcoin or Dogecoin or stocks. Okay, so they don't stop moving even though the regular currency pairs stop moving like you just seen. The market was closed. With the regular pair, GPUSD. Look, I can't get in. Drop is selling, right? Only thing that's open are Bitcoin, Dogecoin. Okay, they're open on the weekend. So this is the 1 minute. I made the decision by looking at the 1 hour. Remember, I told you have to look at the 1 hour. You got to look at the 4 hour. Okay, red means it's going down. Green means it's going up. So the 4 hour is going down. Okay, the 1 hour is going down. You want to look at the hour, the 4 hour, minute 30, still going down, and you want to look at the daily. You see that wick? Even though it's green, it's wicking. It's making wicks, meaning that I'm pretty sure it looks like it wants to make an M formation. As you can see, it's been resisting. Wicks means it's resisting, and it doesn't want to go in that direction no more. That's why it's wicking, because it's showing resistance. And when you see wicks, it shows that buyers are getting exhausted and sellers are starting to overpower it. As you can see, sellers are starting to overpower the market on the daily. That's why it's going down. So I'm thinking, my theory is this is like an even star pattern. What I'm thinking is going to happen is that it's going to drop completely down to about like 48, maybe even 47, 46, maybe even like 46, 45. This is off the 1 hour, so we're just going to ride this. Once you're in a trade, and you're going to be trading all this month, because we're doing a 30-day challenge. The 30-day challenge for, we can get 10K to 15K by the end of the month, which is only, to get 10K is only like $400 a day, which is, not that much. And, to get 15K is like $500 a day, to get that, in 30 days. So that's what we're going to be doing. And, by the end of the month, we'll have 10 to 15K. At the end of the month, all through Forex, and I'm going to be showing y'all all that, so stay in tune. Just wanted to show you that, you can trade Bitcoin and stocks over the weekend if you want to. Just have to make sure it's going in the direction. You have to know the candlesticks. You have to know the formations. Like, I know this formation right here, looking at the 30 minute, the hour, it's all going down. So, 4 hours going down, and it's going to make, it should make an M formation. Okay, also look at the RSI. It's all the way at the bottom. You see the RSI, it says 70 and 30. When it's at 70, that means it's oversold, and it wants to go back down to 30. So that's what, same thing when it's at 30. It's overbought. Oh, my bad. When it's at 70, sorry about that. When it's at 70, it's overbought, and it wants to go back down. When it's at 30, it's oversold. and it wants to go back up. Okay, so you look at that. The RSI is very, very good. For the 4 hour, 1 hour, yeah, it's definitely going back down. See, we zoom out a little bit. Look at the RSI at the bottom, near the 70s, near the 70s still. So it's definitely going to go back down to the 30s. So this is definitely going to be a good trade. Just making a couple, $102 over the weekend. Before we start this challenge, this 30-day challenge. I'm very excited for it. It's going to be very, very good. So just stay in tune. I got y'all many videos I can to help you. On your journey. I'm going to start doing it. And showing you all how to make money. And in about we making 10K to 15K a month. So then that'll be like 30K. 35K a month. I mean, every 2 months. By the end of the year, we should be at like at least 60K. At least 60K, 50K. I know, we got bills and things. We got to pay for. But yeah, as I'm picturing, it's going down. As I thought it would, it's going down. This is off my own judgment. You just don't get in the market. You gotta look at the 1 hour. Make sure it's going down in 1 hour. Make sure it's going down in 4 hour. Okay. Look at the daily. Okay. Wicks. When you see wicks, with the line, it means that it's resisting. It means that it's a sign of that. If you see it on the green candlestick or red candlesticks, it's a sign of that. Buyers for green candlesticks is a sign that buyers are exhausted. And for the red candlesticks, it's signs that sellers are exhausted and buyers want to get back in. But for this example right here, for the daily on the Bitcoin, it's been at its highest point and it's been rejecting multiple times in the last few days. So this was yesterday, the day before that, it was a very green candle. Before that, very red candle. Before that, it was green, red, green. But you can see it's been resisting. So, this means that, when you see the candle starting to resist and starting to wick like this means that sellers are in control, and are pushing price back down. So that's how I was able to, get in this trade, was just off of my own knowledge. I looked at it before I got in the trade. Okay, I just didn't get in the trade. I looked at it and said, okay, this looks like it's going to go down, just off of my own judgment and my own studying and knowledge of the of forex. This is what I came up with. You're not going to win every trade. Bitcoin, their spreads is very, very high. So $90 did it for me. Okay, $90 can do it for you too. But it's off of just really off of just your own. Just looking at the charts and knowing the formations, looking at the 1 hour. We look at the 1 hour, the 30, the 4 hour, and the daily, right? And we even look at the weekend. You can see for the weekend it was going up, but now it's starting to go. It looks like it's going to go back down. Make this M formation. Okay. Let me see if I can show you. If you see 3 red candles, that is a sign. That means that's it's a triple black candlestick formation. You see 3 red candles. So that means it's definitely going down. When you see 3 red candles in a row, yeah, it's definitely going down. So it's going to take a while because before it goes down, but you just want to stay in this trade. As you can see, we're already in this trade, and this is where we're at. This Bitcoin spreads. Like I said, the spread is the red line, so you can see we're not in profit yet. Because the spread is so big with Bitcoins and stuff. You can see the spreads, with the regular pairs, they're 19, 16, 17, 18. Sometimes they're lower than that, 11. But then you go to Bitcoin, look, 10, 10,000. Dogecoin is 88. That's pretty high. Spread for gold is 36. So you gotta just pay attention to that too. Like I said, so we scroll down to the 15. You do scroll down to the 15 and to the 5 just to see, on a smaller scale what price is really doing. I don't really use the minute. Sometimes I'll scroll down to the minute chart to see what price is doing, but really you want to go off the 4 hour. If it's going down for the 4 hour and the hour, then it's going down. But that can change. You know, the market's constantly moving up and down. You know, for the next hour, it could be going up. So, but I think based off of my own judgment, is going down. I think it's going to go down definitely to 48, from 49 to 48, definitely. And so this is all I wanted to show you, gang. As you can see, price is starting to hit back down. We're still in the negative because the spread's so big. Like I'm telling you, the spread with Bitcoin is big. Like I couldn't even put. I only got 1 cent in for this. I couldn't even put 2 cents in for it. It didn't let me. It wouldn't let me. So that's it really for this video game. I'm gonna keep it nice and short and sweet. I can see we in profit already. You know, $3, $4. Yeah, Bitcoin spreads are so big, so you're gonna, even off the 1 cent, you're gonna make a lot of money. So this should be a good trade. It should be like $100, 200 real fast. For Monday. You know, once Monday hits, it's going to be non-stop recording and making videos. We're going to be at 10K by the end of the month. I want to show y'all that game. So, so just stay forward, look forward to those videos. Make sure you like and subscribe and share if you like these videos. And I'm going to keep you guys posted. Alright, so I'll keep you guys posted on these game, on this video. And let you know how I did as far as this trade. Like I said, you can see on the 1 hour, it's really, really going down. 4 hour, in the daily. Yeah, it's really, really going down. So I'll keep you posted on this trade. This is the 1 minute chart. You can see where we sold it all the way up there. So yeah, we caught it very, very good. You want to catch it at the top. Remember, you sell at the top and you buy at the bottom. So this is at the top that, it was at, and so we sold at the top and you buy at the bottom. So that's it. I'll be, telling you game, everything, giving y'all more and more information. So don't worry. All right, but that wraps it up for this video. We'll check on this video, make another video or something showing you how I did in this trade. All right, gang, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature.